Popping what's going on vlog world. Hope everybody 2018 have a good so far, you know. Mine started off kind of shitty. Where am I headed to right now? Shit, I'm driving. Fuck.
See you with that red flag on, with that big box. Punch you in your face, motherfucker. I can see that.
Let's do that again. I was saying I hope everybody have a blessed 2018. What I do right now, I'm on the road going to an audition for a movie. I saw that it was an open call for casting, so I'm gonna pull up and see if we can get a spot, you know. Someone a movie 2018, you know, any like a thing where we can do with us, deal with it. As long as we feel comfortable, as long as we feel like we want to do it, we just do it. See? Now force yourself to do nothing what we don't want to do. See the opportunity, we seize it. When I reach, you're not gonna know what I go on. And if I can, hopefully we can get some footage with my cell phone. Because I'm not walking around with that camera here. You know? You see me? If I can, I will. Alright my people, look at more. I reach at the place, so I could just go inside now and see what I go on. I think I'm 15 minutes early, so I could just go inside and see what I go on. I'm not gonna bring the camera, I could just use my cell phone and get some little clips and thing if I can. Alright? So when I done do everything, we check what I could do upon this. Wish me luck. I'm nervous. I got channel the nervousness. I'm nervous that. I'm nervous in freak. I'm going still. Alright? So later people. I'm going to vlog, just don't do the audition. And the GG are going there still, me not lie, but I'm going to go do my thing, you see me? Going to go bring it off like how I'm supposed to. Give thanks to God for help me use them through it. Give you some opportunity. And what if people did in there still as I can see from the little clip. And there were more persons. I think about 100 odd people come. I was number 29. I have a fairly good chance. You have some professional actors when me see there, and then you don't know you have regular people like myself. Yeah. My head back home, you know. Alright, I now reach home yet. I think I have one more little thing to do. Then I got me yard. But we just go run a little errand at the bank. I'm book up in a Taurus Riley and a whole of one reasoning. You know what I mean? And the man show me say, yo, whole of with a link, you know? If you keep a link, man, everybody in Jamaica for just have that solid link the way all of we can work together. Yo, I'm not too like biking or bridging. But I want car just pass me. So that I carry the sound like that. But anyways, man, I say everybody for work together on the solar link there is a real meds that still, you know. Some people just no link for just no link sake, like they don't really have no beef. They just no link. Cause they no link. Man. Anyways, I never get to shoot no video with Taurus Riley, but we shot a pic. See pic here. Boom. You see me? So I'm gonna make another move, you know. I make another move, you know, and then go on my yard. Hey, before we cut, shout out to the brother in a Scotia Bank. You know what I mean? What is Scotia Bank? Right. You know, somebody know the road name. I must say Oxford Road. Let me see if you address the pioneers. No, the address. I'm big up to the youth when I see the audition. But say, yo, this is what going on in there, so just prep your mind for that. And then, big up the brother at Scotia Bank. When they make me wait long in the line, the man see me and say, oh,
are you the supervisor? Are you the star? The man don't have to wait. Come through, my boss. We deal with that for you.
And I say him say it till I just may have put in another word there. But respect for that, you know, man appreciate it. I just head up on the road, you know. You don't have a good day today at all, my Jenna. You get Vlog, reach back home. Baby girl say hi. Okay, just look and kiss it. I'm supposed to have a charity football game this evening, so I might carry the camera for that. Might. We see how that goes. But if not, the vlog done, I'm going to show you a little clip inside the football game if I get none. Alright?
Wait, Monica. Oh, dude, that's weird. It's really weird.
Alright, the game just done. I'm not getting a game, you see me? I'm not getting no Ras game. No big still, because I broke up. So it's 2-1 over here, so.
Where oh, I man.
That's it. So big up on yourself, 2018 again. And little more.